Hi all, welcome to our 10th standard maths. Let us start sum of first n terms of an AP. The sum of first n terms of an AP is given by Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can also write this as Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. If there are only n terms in an AP, then an is equal to l. Last term, nth term of AP is equal to l. Last term, l here, last term. The formula for the sum of first n terms of an AP involves four quantities S, A, D and N. If we know the three of them, we can find the fourth. Here one more relation, An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. That is, nth term of an AP is the difference of the sum to first n terms and the sum to first n minus 1 terms of it. Let us consider some examples. Next example, find the sum of first 20 terms of the AP 7, 11, 15, 19. Here first term 7, common difference 11 minus 7, 4 plus 4. N 20 terms, first 20 terms. S 20 is equal to how much? We know that the sum of first n terms is given by Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S 20 is equal to 20 by 2, 2 into first term 7, 20 minus 1 d plus 4. 2 ones are 2 10, 10, 2 sevens are 14, 20 minus 1 19, 19 into 4. Here 14 plus 19 into 4, 76, 76 plus 14, 90, 90 into 10, 900. Therefore, the sum of first 20 terms of the given AP is 900. Find the sum of the AP 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. We have to find the sum of first 10 terms. Therefore, here A is equal to 2, first term is 2, D, second term minus first term, 7 minus 2, 5, N, 10. We have to find S10. We know that sum of first n terms Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S10, n is 10. 10 by 2, 2a, first term is 2, n minus n is 10. N is 10 minus 1, d 5. 2 ones are 2 fives are 4 plus 9, 9 fives are 45. Here 45 plus 4, 49, 49 into 5, 5 into 49. Here 245. Consider the next example. Find the sum of the AP minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 up to 12 terms. Here A is first term minus 37, D common difference minus 33 minus minus plus 37 plus 4. N 12 terms. N we have to find S12. We know that sum of first n terms is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. S12 12 by 2 2 into a minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into 4. 1s are 6 are minus 37 into 2 minus 74. 12 minus 1 11 11 into 4 44 minus 74 plus 44 minus 30. Here minus 180. 30 into 6 180 minus 180. Next example, find the sum of the AP 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 to 100 terms. Here first term is 0.6, D is second term minus first term, 1.7 minus 0.6 is 1.1. N is 100. We have to find S100. We know that sum of first n terms of the AP is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. S100 100 by 2 2 into a 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 D 1.1. Here 50 2 into 0.6 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1 50 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. Here 99 9 8 10 108.9. 50 108.9 plus 1.2 1101 110.1 into 110.1 into 50. Here 110.1 into 50 5505.0. Therefore S100 is 5505.0 means 5505. Next type of example, find the sum of the AP minus 5 plus minus 8 minus 11 to minus 230. In this we know first term and last term. So the sum of first n terms is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. Here a is minus 5, D is minus 8 minus minus plus 5 minus 8 minus 8 plus 5 minus 3. L or An is L is equal to minus 230. We have to find n. We know the nth term of An, nth term of AP. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. Here nth term is minus 230. A minus 5 plus n minus 1 D minus 3 minus 5 minus 3n plus 3 is equal to minus 230 minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 minus 3n minus 2 minus 2 is equal to minus 230. Therefore minus 3n is equal to minus 230 plus 2 minus 228, or n is equal to minus 228 minus 228 here divided by 3. 7s are 6, 76. Therefore n is 76. Now we have to find S76. S76 is equal to 76 by 2, first term minus 5, last term minus 230 minus 230. Here 238s are minus 5 minus 230 minus 235. Here therefore S76 is minus 8930. Consider one more example. Find the sum of the AP 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus 10. Here also sum of n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 first term plus last term. Here we know the first term and last term. Here A is equal to 34, D is equal to 32 minus 34 minus 2, An is equal to L is equal to 10. Nth term of the AP, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here An 10, A first term 34, n minus 1, D is minus 2. 34 minus 2n, minus minus plus, here minus 2n minus minus plus 2 plus 34 plus 2 plus 36. Therefore 10 minus 36 is equal to minus 2n. 10 minus 36 minus 26 is equal to minus 2n. N is equal to 26 by 2 or n is equal to 13. Let us find S13. 13 by 2, first term is 34, last term is 10. 34 plus 10, 44, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 13 into 22, 22 is 13 2s are 26, 286. Therefore S13 is 286.